Well, today in a very special unboxing, we have winter kitties. I haven't looked at these guys yet, but I understand we have a mom cat. Hello, mom cat. Oh, wow. Look how tiny her babies are. Ooh, she's friendly. I realized as soon as I put my hand in here, I probably shouldn't do that, but she seems okay. Okay, little guys. Oh, look how tiny they are. Hi. They barely have open eyes. Well, mom cat, you're going to be hanging out with me for the next month or so. And your little guys are going to grow up here. You want to have a look around? Okay. Having foster kittens with a foster mom is great because she does all the heavy lifting. Oh, she just wants to hang out there for a little bit. Well, I'm going to put the box in a corner. I have her, I have food out for her and water, and I've got her bedding from the shelter. They said she really liked her bedding. There it is. Very patriotic mom cat. Oh wow, she's really friendly. Good. Okay, mom cat. Everything's been disinfected. Your kitten should be fine here. I'm going to put your bed down. Put it over here. Okay. Wow, it's been a long time since I've had kittens this tiny. It's the last time I had a mom cat. Okay, mom cat, you're in good shape now. Aw, everything's fine, baby girl. So there you go. New fosters and their mom.